What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and check this out. So right here, I have about 56 bicentennial quarters. And what if I told you that one of these sold for thousands of dollars? And if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you a little bit later in this video. So many of you may know already, but for those of you who don't, the bicentennial quarters, when they were minted, everyone thought they were going to be a big deal. They were going to be super rare, and, people collected them. They bought them. Whenever they would come across them, they would keep them for years and years. However, the U.S. Mint ended up making so many of these that they're hardly worth anything today, unless you are able to find one that is either silver or it has some specific error. And so, to be exact, the Philadelphia Mint minted over 809 million of these. The Denver Mint minted over 860 million of these. The San Francisco Mint minted over 11 million silver coins. And as far as the proof coins, there were 7 million proof and then 4 million proof silver coins. And so it's safe to say that there are a lot of bicentennial quarters, a lot more than any of us ever thought there would be. And so with the coin that sold for $19 million, it is a mint state 69. And for those of you who do not know, 70 is the highest grade you can get when grading your coin. And so the fact that this is a mint state 69, it brought in $19,000 for the person that owned this coin and sold it. And so I'm going to show you the sale now that took place on Heritage Auctions in 2019. Check it out. So the key thing that you want to look for is a 40% silver bicentennial quarter. That is where the money is. And so you might say, how do I know if the coin is silver or not? So as you can see with these, they all look the same around the rim. And if I just pick one up, they all look like this, like a regular quarter. But when it comes to silver, it looks like this. And so let's do a comparison. I'm going to put two of these together. And you look at that. That is how you tell the difference. And so you want this one. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Happy hunting. Peace.